Hi everyone, it's Jason at eVTOL Insights with your latest news update on Monday, April the 19th. Wingcopter and ANA Holdings, the parent company of All Nippon Airways, are working together to accelerate the delivery of vital pharmaceuticals and consumer products via unmanned aircraft in Japan. The two companies are conducting comprehensive trials with fixed-wing eVTOL aircraft developed by Wingcopter with the aim of building a drone delivery network capable of serving needs across the country. The first phase of the current tests took place from March the 21st and 26th, with the supervised flight of a Wingcopter aircraft between Fukuejima and Hisakajima in Goto City, Nagasaki Prefecture. The flights demonstrated the viability of drone delivery for medical supplies, dramatically reducing patients' waiting times. The ongoing trials will help ANA determine which aircraft are suited to operate best in each region of the country, evaluating local weather conditions and demand for drone delivery as it establishes a series of hubs along the transportation network. Thanks so much for watching. For more details about this story, visit evtolinsights.com. We're also on Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter.